we'll guide you through how to make custom texture brush in Illustrator. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, begin by locating and opening Adobe Illustrator on your desktop. Wait for the program to fully load, then click File and choose New to start a new project. The Canvas creation menu will appear on your screen, allowing you to choose the settings for your document. Select your desired document size, and then click Create to generate a new artboard. Before creating the brush, find a brush texture reference on the internet if you want inspiration for the style and appearance of your custom brush. For this tutorial, the texture will be demonstrated using simple rectangles. Select the rectangle tool from the toolbar and create several rectangles on the artboard. Make sure the rectangles have uneven sizes because varying dimensions help create a more natural and interesting texture. To increase the amount of texture, you can also place some rectangles on top of one another. Continue adding and arranging rectangles until the texture strip becomes long enough to function as a brush pattern. Take your time adjusting the shapes so the texture has a good balance of density and variation. Once the texture is complete, switch to the selection tool. Click and drag around the artwork to select all of the rectangles that make up the texture. With everything selected, go to the window menu at the top of the screen and choose Brushes to open the Brushes panel. In the Brushes panel, locate the New Brush button near the bottom right corner and click it. A dialog box will appear asking what type of brush you want to create. Select Art Brush, then continue to the next settings window. If the brush appears too thick, reduce the minimum width setting to approximately 40 to 45%. This adjustment helps create a more balanced brush stroke and can improve the overall appearance of the texture. After reviewing the settings, click OK to add the new brush to the Brushes panel. Your custom texture brush is now ready to use.